It can't be a video if I don't look into the camera and say, no rest if you want to be the best. Okay, don't forget that, alright? Alright, YouTube, y'all here with me, y'all rockin' still, okay? You already know what it is, man. Lamb on the run. I'm outside. We working outside right now. It's raining out here. If you can see it, it's still raining and all that. But I got my mans right there with the Subaru. Just did it from the launch. From the launch, and it's raining. It's giving a lot of skid right now. So everybody know that in the launch mode, you definitely lose a lot of, the traction is out of control with the launch. But stay tuned, man. We out here, we working on it, still doing videos. Make sure if you're rocking with us, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Another one. And that's it for him. He's out of here. What it is, YouTube, you already know. It's your man, Lamb on the Run, man. If you still rocking with us, hey, make sure that you go out, get the merch on lambontheRun.com, okay? Also, I appreciate every one of the subscribers that subscribe to me. Everybody that viewed it and they subscribed. I really appreciate it. Everybody that liked. Keep pushing, man. Every day I keep watching more YouTube videos to understand like how this works. But I want to thank each one of y'all that subscribe to me. Today I'm just outside, you know, normal day. It's raining out here. Seen a couple people on the highway driving around and stuff, and just see if everybody always want to race a Hellcat when they see one. You understand? I seen a couple dudes out here. My mans and them is out here, and it's raining, so can't really catch it from the launch, but I definitely catching them on the quick roll, the 60 roll, or even the 40 roll. But it's a good vibes out here. I hope y'all like it, man. If y'all really rocking with me, how y'all say y'all all, you know, the viewers that's coming in, you know, I appreciate y'all as well. But if y'all rocking with me as y'all say y'all all, just make sure y'all if y'all want to see more videos like this, if y'all want to see racing a Hellcat, just comment down low, like, subscribe, you know, dislike. You know, there's somebody out there that don't like it, you feel me? So if you don't like it as well, y'all could give me the thumbs down button. But either way, man, we out here trying to work. We working, you feel me? I'll let your boy. What's going on? We can't get nothing from you? Can't get nothing from you or what?
Watch the drift though, watch the drift.
Trip? Trip? What trip? Let's get something from you, man.
Huh?
Something for the YouTube, man. Something for the YouTube.
Alright.
My man's right here with the S5. Do something for the YouTube, man. Can we get something for the YouTube, please?
Oh yeah.
Something for the YouTube, sir. That's for the YouTube. That's for YouTube. It's kind of crazy. Now I gotta, you know, use my fucking hand while I do this shit. You gonna get something for the YouTube? Anything, anything. You got a lot of stuff in that car, sir.
A lot of stuff. Don't give up.
cops is coming right around that corner for y'all. Something for the YouTube. Oh yeah, I got.
Oh, we do it. Hey, Oriana.
Something for the YouTube. We got going here. How y'all want to hear it? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So I'm gonna start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Who's coming? Who's coming? Look at my son! Look at my son! Look at my son! Stop playing with me! Stop playing with me! Stop playing with me! Stop playing with me! Hey! But hold on. It was close. It was close.
I didn't see him. How was he? How far was he?
He was right there. We got the video. We won't see it till YouTube see it. Okay? But he was very close. He was very close. But it just looked like he slowed down before. You feel me?
Oh, but at the end, yeah.
Details of the car. YouTube, that was today's video, okay? My man's, shout out to Brian, shout out to El Roofy coming out today, okay? And giving y'all some good footage, you understand? Sorry that y'all didn't see more videos of Hellcat going out based off the rain, but there will be a part 2, I promise y'all. There will be a part 2. That part 2 consists of me on the from the launch mode. It was too much rain falling at that point in time, so we wasn't gaining no traction out there. So again, as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, liking it, and subscribing it. If y'all want to see more videos like this, okay? If y'all want to see more cold starts, if y'all want to see how to do this, how to do that, make sure you comment it right below in this video. Make sure y'all do that. And then on top of that, if y'all really rock with me, just make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Just trying to blow up, trying to do something different, okay? Thank y'all, man. I appreciate each one of y'all for liking us, okay?